Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen science today, and today I will show you how to make very tasty but very healthy snacks. You can take them to work, you can give it to your kids to school, and you can eat it any time of the day and not even feel bad afterwards. You only need a few minutes to make them and only 3 ingredients. So let's get started. So here we have 3 ingredients. We have a banana, we have 2 eggs, and we have 4 tablespoons of oats. I use gluten-free organic oats, as you can see there. You can use any other type of oats. I also have some honey that I like to put after the pancakes are done, and some strawberries to put on the top, but you can use any type of other berries. So let's get started. So we will get started with cutting a banana into small pieces and then putting them in the bowl. I'm cutting into small pieces so it's easier to mix it all together. And now I'll just use a fork to mix it all together. I'll mash it all nicely. It has to look something like this, all nicely mashed. Okay, so it has to look like this, all nicely mashed. And now we add eggs. And we have to mix it all nicely together again. So it looks like this. And now the last thing, we add oats. And again we have to mix it all nicely together. And mixture should look something like this. So now we are ready to heat up our stove. So here I have my pan already preheated. I will add some oil. You can use any oil. I use coconut oil. And then we will add pancakes to the pan. Don't forget to flip pancakes. It needs to be frying a few minutes on each side. So here you can see I already have oil preheated in the pan. So now all we need to add is the mixture. You need small amount like this. Alright, and I will put a cover up, just a little bit like this. It needs to be, make sure it is on a medium heat, and don't forget to flip it a few compartments on each side. So as you can see, the pancakes are already ready. I already add some honey and strawberries, and now let's taste it. Strawberries smell so good. Delicious. Well, strawberry give a little bit of sourness, which is a really great combination. Tastes delicious. So one last suggestion for you guys is to eat these snacks with hot tea or coffee. That way you will feel a little bit more full for longer and you won't get hungry so fast again. And if you liked my video today, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment, and I will see you in my next video. I have to make another bite because it's delicious.